DigitalOcean has always been on my radar. And when we decided to pivot the company to build this new product, we decided to build a local product. So most of the applications running on the local machine, but we need a very robust API for telemetry and governance and eventually inference as well, probably as an AI data agent. So effectively what that means these days is any kind of data task that you have, whether it's cleaning data, looking for information in data, modeling it, whatever that may entail, you want to be able to delegate that to an AI. And so we thought, well, do we want to redo this all over again on AWS or Azure or GCP and incur a lot of complexity? Or can we just get started quickly? When you actually look at all the different ways you're getting charged on the hyperscalers and compare that to something like DigitalOcean, if you spin up, a couple dedicated CPU instances on the app platform tier, for example, you're paying a fixed price and you're going to get stable performance, but you're not going to get charged by the second for all the different types of usage, right? And so what you end up saving is probably at least about 25% just on the sticker price. So I took a look at DigitalOcean's offering and I realized, wow, like it's really come a long way. I was like, this, it's really fully featured. There's new stuff coming, GPUs, inference, great user experience. And you can start simple, on app platform. And then as soon as you actually need a Kubernetes cluster or whatever you need to go from there, it's all right there. And DigitalOcean is the only provider, I think, that actually gives you that whole scale, right? There's no equivalent tier with any other provider where you can start simple and then scale up complexity. So that's a really unique positioning, and it's worth a lot, I think. And then the other thing too is just responsiveness, right? Like anytime I have the slightest problem or whatever, I can just talk to the people at DigitalOcean on the engineering team, and I get a great answer. That kind of responsiveness and like personal touch and support, you can't get that from a hyperscaler. Like it's not going to happen. Like you'll just get buried in a support queue for the rest of your life, and that's not, especially as a startup, that's the last thing you want.